How to get void check online Bank of America. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get the void check of online Bank of America. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So Bank of America customers can order check copies online, but they can't get a void check directly through the bank. So what you can do instead is order check copies. For that, you need to log in into the Bank of America's online bank. You may just go to Bank of America, search for Bank of America in your browser and click on the very first link. After that, log in into your Bank of America account using your login credentials of the bank. And then the Information and Services tab, and then select order check copies. After that, copies of check, cancel check are available for you up to 7 years. The next thing is you may order checks and deposit tickets. For that, Bank of America customers can order through checks and deposit tickets through the bank's website or the mobile banking app, which is easily available on Google Play Store. So the next thing is you may use a digital voided check generator. For that, online banks and financial services like FirmPros offer digital voided check generators. Users can input their account information to generate a digital voided check. You may follow that step, or if you don't have a voided check, you can use a bank letter or bank statement to verify your bank account. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.